Good day and welcome to the news. Terrorists own guns. Nigerians should carry too. Yoruba Council backs Zamfara government. Now, the news in details. The Council of the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land has held the decision of the Zamfara state government to approve gun licenses. The government gave the approval to enable individuals to carry a firearm for defense against terrorists. There have been countless attacks in Zamfara in recent years, with hundreds killed, kidnapped, or wounded. In a statement on Monday, the Breakiñg Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Gboyega Adejumo urged Southwest governors to take a cue from Zamfara. The Yoruba chiefs warned them to stop tolerating the activities of terrorists, masquerading as bandits and kidnappers, killing innocent people at will. They noted that Zamfara Governor Bello Matawalle has literally opened the eyes of other governors across the country. Taking up firearms in self-defense is a global practice that should be encouraged once it is backed by the law. There's nothing bad if citizens take up arms to defend themselves, the statement read. The council, however, lauded the Lagos government on the ban on commercial riders in some parts of the state. The chiefs urged Southwest governors to ensure the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group (SSSG) and the Western Nigerian Security Network (Amotekun) close ties to further secure the region. So here we have the Council of the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land hailing the decision of the Zamfara state government to approve gun licenses, and this is coming after several attacks in Zamfara state over the years, with hundreds being killed, kidnapped, or wounded, and the government gave the approval to enable individuals to carry firearms for defense against terrorists. And the statement was made by the Breakiñg Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò in the person of Gboyega Adejumo, and he went on to urge southwestern governors to actually take a cue from the Zamfara state governor, saying that they need to stop tolerating the activities of terrorists who are masquerading themselves as bandits and kidnappers and going ahead to kill innocent people at will. And the Zamfara state governor, he said that the Zamfara state governor actually opened the eyes of other governors across the country. And he also took it further to say that taking up arms in self-defense is a global practice that should be encouraged once it's backed by law. And we all know that in other parts of the world, people are allowed to actually own firearms, and this issue with firearms is always two-sided. There's a good part and there's the positive part and the negative part, like to almost everything we do in this world. So the positive part about it is, yes, it is there for self-defense. I feel once a law like this is put into place, it will actually put fear in put fear in these terrorists before they actually go to people's house and try to attack people's villages and all that. But the negative side to it is that you are making firearms more accessible to the general public, and which can actually increase the crime rate in the country, with people now having the opportunity to rob people more and commit different types of criminal acts. So it's something that if it's going to be done, a lot of people need to sit down together and really think about the good and the bad of a law like this, especially in a country like Nigeria, where there's not really a database system where things can be easily tracked down to this particular person. So there's a lot to think about when it comes to gun laws, and also when you want to put gun laws into place, you have to put gun control into place. Like there are a lot of things that goes on with making guns actually accessible for self-defense in a country. We've seen what the US is passing through with their gun laws and all that. I mean, we are seeing children taking up guns and going to primary schools and killing children that don't even know anything. They just went to schools to learn and they're killing them. We have mass shootings and all that going on in the US just because of the guns are easily accessible to the general public and citizens of the United States. So yes, is it sensible to have guns being accessible to the general public? Yes, because it can help with the self-defense. But then we have to also take into consideration the negative part that putting a law like these gun laws into place here in Nigeria is going to bring. So it's going to be a very, very long way before we actually put something like that, because it's something that we can't just do it like that. It has to be, people have to really think twice, and the lawmakers have to really think twice before they make a law like that. And like I said, there is nothing bad if citizens take up arms to defend themselves, and which is actually true. There's nothing bad if citizens actually take up arms to defend themselves. But there again, would these citizens be only using these guns to defend themselves, or would they start using it to create a nuisance and do different shenanigans in the state, in this country, in the area where they live, where they're living in their local government area? Like, there are a lot of things to actually take into consideration with a law like the gun law. And they also went ahead to actually praise the Lagos state government on the ban of commercial bikes and commercial bikes Okada in some parts of the state. And he also urged Southwest governors to actually ensure that the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group SSSG and the Western Nigeria Security Network, the Amotekun, close ties to further secure the region. And the Amotekun have done a good job in some parts of the Southwest, and like in Ondo State, they said they've really done a wonderful job there. And so yes, it's urging the two security networks they have in the Southwest to actually close ties to further secure the Southwest region of Nigeria. So I would love to hear the thoughts, views, opinions of my able listeners on a possible gun law being put in place here in Nigeria. Don't forget to like, comment down below, share to your loved ones and family, subscribe to our channel so you get a news update anytime a post is made. That's it from us today, guys. Thank you and God bless.